Cozumel, Mexico, Yaupi. Cozumel, Mexico, Gangapi. Manaka, Manakonanai. Manakonanai. Manakonanai, Manakonanai. Magla, Manakonanai. Cozumel, Mexico, Yaupi. Boji to you, ma. Cozumel, Mexico, young navy, or Ganga navy. Sura, Tupia Jim Dore. Meow. Tupia Jim Dore. Who's 7:45. Shinai Matanga Toyame was at 9 a.m. I got scuba diving here. So, Tupu, let talk. Bibi lahe. Mà ta nghe siêu sâm mồ. Tôi vô qua mà làm thế. I'm doing this voiceover for non-Burmese speaker since I know there are some friends of mine who are not speaking Burmese or understanding my Burmese explanation, so please bear with me with this video. And we came out from our room right around, I'm not sure, like 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. in the morning, and there will be an overhead announcement what to do. And we are at the level 2, so we are going down to the level 1 where everybody gets off the ship to the Cozumel, Mexico, and that's the perfect destination. We love that destination. So we just came out of the ship, and we have to present our sea pass card, which when they scan the sea pass card, and they can actually see our recent picture that they take picture of us on the boarding day and embarkation day, and so they know who gets off, because there will be a real issue if there is somebody else get back into the ship, right, from Mexico. So I believe they already thought through about that. So whenever we get off the ship, we present the sea pass cards, and they know how many people and who gets off the ship. Then when we come back in, the Mexico border, security border, they are not really like checking through so much to us. The ship is checking us so much according to the sea pass card, and they will scan it. They will make sure who gets back on board. So there is a little kind of walkway that we have to go. We bought scuba diving. It's called Discover Scuba Diving. We bought the tickets online, and there's another separate video about how I bought it and how much I saved buying online before getting on the cruise. So that's what we did, and we found the destination, which stand we have to go lined up, and who we have to talk to, that we are there already. So there are so many excursions that you can book online, and also there are so many excursion stand you will see. So go to the right excursion stand, which will be on the ticket. And this Cozumel, Mexico destination is a big place that you can shop, and there are so many expensive shop that they will just tell the price according to how you look as well, so just be careful of that. And for the scuba diving, and it takes about half an hour at least for us to get the form fills. And also I believe they have different level of the scuba diving, like we are the beginner, so we are on the different group, and there are some other group that's certified diver group, so they will make sure that you're on the right group. So it's about 10 minutes walkway to the ship, and you can go around, shop, all that. This is already after we pass through from the US border, and it is in the Mexico region already. So there is a little ferry, just go by according to the instructions. There's a little ferry that everybody on board. We just go to the destination place that we can go scuba diving. So my mom and my kid, the youngest one, they are not going to be scuba diving, but they need to be at the shore where we are scuba diving. So they just need to pay for, I don't remember, I think it's $30 for the ferry fees for both of them. So this is the perfect place that you can take a picture with the boat, with the ship that you came with, which is for us is Independence of the Sea. The temperature is like 90 degrees. It's not too hot, and there are so many people with us. Some are real pro that they go to the different program, and some are going to be with us. And there are staff that speak English, not just Spanish, so you won't be so left out anyway. So once we get there, we were taken to the room that we do some orientation, like about 20-30 minutes. After that, you will get to do the Discover Scuba Diving with the trainer for like about 20-30 minutes more. And that was about $120 per person. However, we do the extra 30 minutes times, which we just pay $45 to the not to the ship, not to where we book. Is we just kind of pay to that station and the trainer. After that, we go around the Cozumel, Mexico town, and those trainers are so good that they even get the taxi for us so that we won't get like overcharged. So we just gotta pay about $8 to the taxi to go to the authentic Mexican seafood restaurants, where not be like charging too much of it. I want to make sure that those menus are already pre-written for the price, those places that I want to go, instead of not knowing whether we are being overcharged or being scammed. So yeah, we did not have all those experience, which is good. And so we went to this restaurant, which is really cool experience. We are going to pay by the War credit card so that we won't be charged for the transition fees as well. So all that we eat, this is the our Burmese authentic fish paste we brought with us, because we always hard to find. It is always hard to find some spicy taste that we like. So we have some Fanta, which is Mexico Fanta, and this is the perfect dish that I love so much. But we still gotta add our which is Burmese the sauce, and we have the seafood platter. We have some lemonade, some chips, and some lobster tail. Yes, and the whole thing that we order and the whole table, including tips, is just about $120-$130. We think it's worth it. So when we came back, we took the taxi. So when we take the taxi from the restaurant to the ship departure place, it was around $12 that cost us, which could be better, but is better than we thought. And at this place right here, where you take pictures with the Cozumel sign, and you can snorkel, you can swim, and it's just 10 minutes away to the back to the ship. The ship depart from the Cozumel, Mexico right around 5 p.m. So we stop swimming and snorkeling here, even we don't want to, and we have to stop around 4 p.m. I have separate video about the scuba diving. So to get the full explanation about the vlog, go check that video out and subscribe for more USC travel video. Thank you.